August is the month when cucumbers can produce their biggest fruits, but only if the roots receive enough nutrients. Many gardeners focus on watering more during this time, yet forget that feeding the roots is even more important. Without enough nutrition, the plant quickly becomes exhausted, growth slows down, and new cucumbers stay small. Today I'll show you the natural fertilizer I use every 15 days to water my cucumber plants, helping them produce large, firm, and juicy cucumbers right through the end of the season. First, I take banana peels and cut them into very small pieces. This helps them release their nutrients into the water much faster. Banana peels are rich in potassium, which plays a key role in fruit development. They also contain smaller amounts of phosphorus, calcium, and magnesium, all of which support healthy plant growth. I place the chopped banana peels into a container and pour warm water over them. Next, I add 1 teaspoon of yeast. Its role is to help the roots use nutrients more efficiently, which is especially important in August, when cucumber plants are using a lot of energy to produce new fruits. After that, I add half a tablespoon of sugar. The sugar feeds the yeast and helps it become more active. The third ingredient is 1 tablespoon of granulated garlic. Garlic is known for its natural protective compounds that may help repel some insect pests, while also making it more difficult for certain fungal diseases to develop during warm and humid weather. I stir everything well and let it sit overnight. The next morning, I strain the liquid and dilute it with half a gallon of water. I use this mixture only around the base of the plants, watering the roots every 15 days until the end of the harvest. The plants stay vigorous, the fruits continue growing, and every harvest brings large, firm, and juicy cucumbers.